on plant reproduction. You'll need to have a basic understanding of the parts of a flower, so feel free to go back over and watch the video on that if you need to. Links are in the description. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants requires male gametes, produced in pollen grains in the anthers, to fuse with female gametes found in the ovules. A pollen grain must reach the stigma before its nucleus can travel down towards the female gamete in the ovule. Pollination, the part we're covering in this video, is this step here, the movement of pollen from the anther to the stigma. In case it's not obvious, the definition for pollination is simply the transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma. Obviously, these insects aren't stopping at just one flower. As they carry on visiting other flowers, some of those pollen grains trapped on their body are bound to get deposited on the next flower. Some of these pollen grains will land on the stigma. The stigma of this type of flower is a sticky structure, ideally suited for pollen to attach to. The next step for reproduction in flowering plants is for the male gamete to travel to the ovule where fertilization can take place.